Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Peugeot. So from any screen, if you hit the telephone key there, you see connect telephone, options, contacts. If you go into options, Bluetooth connection, quick messages. So Bluetooth connection, and it's showing there P9 Plus. Now, nothing happens if you click on there. It tries to connect. What you have to do, see the icon at the top, you click the trash bin at the top and it gives you the option to delete this one. So click delete the selected Bluetooth device. Yes, that's it, gone.